Hey there! In this video I want to introduce you our brand new rack kit, the UM-LEN-204. This rack kit allows you to easily install up to 2 Lenovo ThinkCentres and the power supplies here in the back. As always, the rack kit is fully made out of high quality metal. Thanks to our strap system, the installation is completely tool-free. And if you add our rail and cable kit, it's even more sleek and you can easily manage your cables. Our upgraded and stronger rail system now supports cabinets from 400 to 900 mm. As you can see in the following scenes, the setup is done in minutes. So check it out on our website and let us make a smart difference.